This video demonstrates how to add and remove a filter to a table of data in Excel by using the Python library OpenPyXL. Here is our testing document that has 3 columns in A through C. I will apply and remove the filter on the first row of data so that we can filter by month, food, and quantity sold. Here in Python, I am bringing in the workbook as WB, and I'm selecting the worksheet as WS. I will be saving the work in the cell below as test filter. Each worksheet object in OpenPyXL has an auto filter attribute that contains a few parameters. We can see they are ref, filter column, and sort state. All we need to concern ourselves with for this demonstration is the ref attribute. Currently, you can see it is set to none. The ref object is where the filter exists on the worksheet, so we currently see that we do not have one. To create a filter at a specific location, we just need to tell that ref parameter there where the filter should exist. We can pass the ref attribute a string telling ref which columns and rows the filter should begin and end on. Our use case calls for a filter to exist on the first 3 columns of the first row, so I will assign ref A1 through C1. Let's now see what the autofilter attribute contains. There we have A1 colon C1 displayed as a string, exactly as we assigned it. Let's save the workbook and open it up to see if the filter exists in that first row. At the top of the page, we see the 3 filter drop-down buttons, each correctly displaying the data contained in the corresponding column. Removing the filter is accomplished with the exact same logic, but with a different assignment to the ref attribute. We just reassign that ref attribute none, which is what it contained before we changed it. Checking autofilter one last time, we can see that ref is assigned to none. Let's save again and reopen the test filter workbook. There we go. The filter has been removed from row 1. So it's very easy. To add a filter, just access the ref attribute of the autofilter attribute and assign it the string of the column row range where you want the filter to be displayed. If you want to remove a filter, simply assign that same attribute none. Thank you for watching. Please let me know down below if this was a helpful and informative video and what other features of OpenPyXL you might like to see in future videos. Do give it a thumbs up if you found this video helpful, as it really does help others find this content. And don't forget to hit subscribe so that you know when the next video drops.